What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today, I'm going to do this unboxing and first impression of Desora Midnight Gold. And I'm going to do it outdoors because it's a bit stormy. It's very windy outside. I just wanted to test out my new microphone and just wanted to enjoy the weather too. So this is what I purchased. And again, this is not a sponsored content. If you are a first-time visitor on my channel, make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Now, I have been looking at a lot of these advertisements from Desora on my Instagram feed, so I thought, why not give it a shot? And I got it. The box and the packaging, everything seems very premium. I'll just put it on the side. So before I open it, let me tell you the notes. On the top, you've got bergamot, grapefruit, and pink pepper. On the mids, you've got ginger, physalis, I don't know what that is, patchouli. And on the base, you've got amber, vetiver, and musk. Now, this is the beautiful box. It's mighty premium, I must say. Like the print and everything, it feels very premium. And there's a kind of like a texture on the front. The box opens like a book, just like your typical Argos cases, and it's a beautiful one. Feels very premium, and there's some kind of a story mentioned over here if you want to pause and read up. Now the bottle feels very premium, and just so you know, like the notch is pretty deep so that the bottle sits securely. Well, at least the bottle wasn't flopping or moving around inside when it arrived. Look at this beautiful bottle. It's all opaque black, so you don't see through it. Beautiful stuff, I must say. Pretty simple, but it's a very nice design. Now the cap, let's see. Well, it feels metal. It's very heavy. And that's the atomizer. No logo on the top, I believe. Yep. Very nice, very nice. So let's go ahead and spray this to find out what Midnight Gold is all about. Beautiful citruses, I must say. Like the grapefruit and bergamot combination. Oh, it's got a magnetic cap too. I didn't notice that before. It's a magnetic cap. You hear that? Very nice. Wow. I mean, the name kind of told me that it's probably something dark, but it's not. It's very vibrant, very citrusy, juicy citruses, almost making my mouth water. Very realistic grapefruit and bergamot combination, I must give you that. The warmth is definitely there from the pink pepper, so it's as promised. Some kind of an effervescent thing going on. I believe it's from the ginger, the warm, effervescent feel. I don't feel the patchouli right away, but I believe it's some adding to some kind of a depth or like an earthy kind of tone, but it's not super pronounced. For now, on the opening on the top, it's more like that very fresh, citrusy, energizing, and invigorating kind of a vibe. Changing slowly. There's a kind of cleanliness to it. I believe it's coming from the musk. So it's one of that clean detergent kind of musk, which is not powdery at this point, at least in the opening. Something definitely usable in the warmer time, especially in New York City. You know how the temperatures are all over the place and it's very hot on some days and it's very humid. This thing can totally be rocked on those very hot and humid days. Loving it. There's a kind of sweetness coming through. I think it's coming from something else. I'm not sure if it's the patchouli. Like sometimes, the patchouli comes through as some kind of, like with a hint of sweetness to it, I believe, maybe. Or is it the physalis? I don't know what that is, what it's supposed to smell like. I gotta do a read up on that, but so far it's changing very nicely. Lovely stuff. So, guys, if you have never tried something from Desora fragrances, I highly recommend give this one a shot. I think they go for around right now. It's going for $90 each, and they are 100 ml bottles, and these are eau de parfum concentrations. Really liking it, especially with the stormy, windy weather right here in New York, all cloudy. This thing's feeling mighty fine. So, guys, that was my first impression and unboxing of Desora Perfumes Midnight Gold. Again, the name kind of threw me off, but again, do not be confused. This fragrance is a freshie. It's not one of your dark, danky kind of fragrance, not a smoky one. It's very vibrant, very lively, very energizing. That's my first impression, though. Wonderful stuff. It's smelling very different than anything that I've smelled before. Wonderful stuff. So, guys, let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried something from Desora fragrances? Let me know which one you tried, or have you tried this one? What are your opinions about this specific one? So, until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.